Do y'all cook a lot of pork tenderloins? We do. Michael does one on the grill where he kind of scores out the center of the tenderloin, and then he stuffs it with sausage, and it's out of this world. It's great on sandwiches or our entree, which is, we just love it. So anyway, I'm going to share with you a recipe from the magazine, Cooking with Paula Deen magazine, on a pork tenderloin. And it's like one of the easiest meals that you could prepare. This tenderloin will cook perfectly. I cook them now in my air fryer because I hate to heat up a great big old oven for that one little piece of meat. And it'll be done in like 23 minutes in the air fryer. So the one that Teresa picked up for us is already seasoned, but I don't trust it to be maybe enough seasoning, so I'm gonna just sprinkle this with a little olive oil. And then I'm gonna mix my spices together. That's salt and pepper, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, and onion powder. Now this will serve as 2 tenderloins, but I'm just cooking 1 today. So I'll go back and give you the amount for like 2 tenderloins. All right, so we're gonna re-season him just in case he didn't get enough the first go around. Yeah, this is a hard one to beat right here. All right, and on this side of our pork tenderloin, I tell you what, I would suggest using those little niblets, the little nibble potatoes, because I don't know if they're gonna be done when the pork loin is done. All right, so I'm gonna give these potatoes just a quick spray, because that'll make sure it's covered better than me trying to drizzle it with olive oil. So we're gonna season the potatoes, and we're gonna bake this at 425 degrees for 15 minutes. And then we're gonna take it out, and we're gonna add our green beans and our tomatoes, our little cherry tomatoes. And it's like a meal in one pan. In fact, it's a sheet pan pork, potato, and vegetable supper. Another easy one. And whoever wants to cook it for your Mother's Day meal, they'll like it, because it will be easy for them too. So here we go in the oven. My hands are all greasy. I'm gonna have to stop and wash the grease off, because I don't want to drop it too. I've had bumbling hands all day today. So 425, 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes, y'all. So now I'm gonna come back in here and finish putting this together. And I'm gonna add our green beans. They're pretty fresh green beans. And the cherry tomatoes, which are so pretty. And these little tomatoes are wonderful when you toast them. Like, I toast these in the air fryer, and they'll burst, and it just brings out flavor like you wouldn't believe. You remember, Mikey? Mm-hmm. When I've done it. All right, now I'm gonna do the same thing to the green beans and the tomatoes. I'll spray them a little bit so the seasoning will stick to them. Okie dokie. And back in the oven they go.
Have you already cooked the beans?
No, they're gonna be the crispy, crunchy green beans. Uh-huh.
Good.
So how much longer?
I'm gonna spread these out. We're gonna cook it maybe 15 more minutes, y'all. We just want to make sure those potatoes and green beans are nice and done. And of course the pork, you're good if it'll be around 145 degrees temperature internally. But we just got to make sure those potatoes and green beans are done as well. Now, I would highly recommend, but it depends on how you like your vegetables. I do like my vegetables done, but I would use those little nibble potatoes. I mean, I'll pop them in the air fryer and cook them, not even 10 minutes, Eddie. And they are so good. So I'd probably recommend a potato that size. Or if you're cooking potatoes this size, I would parboil them. I don't want to cut that tinfoil. Oops. That was like fingernails on a chalkboard, wasn't it? You know, that tenderloin's just hard to beat. It's like, I forgot. I'm supposed to drizzle the thing with balsamic reduction, and I forgot. Come on, a little drizzle for Paul. All right, tell us what you think, Bozo.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, that balsamic smells so good.
I keep that in my refrigerator.
Do you?
I like it on vegetables.
You know, it's funny. I don't use a lot of things like that.
Bobby introduced me kind of to
Oh
that
yeah,
kind of stuff.
Bobby goes for it. So does Cloud. She likes it. So what's the verdict?
It's good.
Would you give me a bite of that tenderloin, please? I just want the whole piece. It's just one little piece, you rotten
Well,
thing. You gonna cut
usually I cut it. Usually I'll do that and they say, that's too big. So then I'll cut it. That's too little.
We don't keep enough Kleenexes in this house. You know what? We don't have enough.
That is wine.
Look at that.
That's delicious, Michael.
That's so good. You want one more of that?
No, thank you. You want more balsamic?
No, I'm good. I'm on a diet.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.